that is Muhammad Bilal, to come forward and reach to the starting point. Muhammad Bilal, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Excellent move. He's doing very well. He is going for the last round. We would like to play for him, please. In Group C. From Group C, we have third position holder Muhammad Bilal, belong to Peshawar Club. Third position holder, please clap for him and stay here to take a pictures with our chief guest, senior coach and coach